All are invited to return to Wealthy Coin. Get ready for some Shib news. The Shiba Inu shook things up. Shiba Inu, one of the greatest cruel coins out now, was made mainly to cash in on all the hype about Dogecoin in 2020. Nevertheless, Shibu has demonstrated its value as time goes on. A Layer 2 solution that would aid scalability was recently disclosed by the team, which makes it even better for daily payments. Additionally, Shibu just revealed a metaverse, but establishing it in an ever-growing landscape. Get ready for this Shib update as we go over how Shiba Inu changed the game in this video. Here we go with the video, no holds barred. To view our most recent content, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. The current volatility in Bitcoin and market prices can be attributed to unfavorable macroeconomic conditions and the spate of bankruptcy cases in the cryptocurrency industry. On the other hand, when the value of other cryptocurrencies continues to fall, Bitcoin's market value has surged by 60%. In August of 2020, the market saw the introduction of Shiba Inu, an Act 20 token. Its original intent was to cash in on Dogecoin's expanding popularity, but by the year's conclusion, its monthly volume had increased by more than 48 million, making it one of the best-performing cryptocurrencies of all time. The overall amount that buyers and sellers exchange, known as trading volume, can sometimes reveal how investors are placing themselves. CoinMarketCap statistics indicates that this is not necessarily the case. 4,661 ships or 27 trillion tokens, valued at 332,000, have been traded in the last 24 hours on 27 levels 747,491,000,000. Before Shoshir Kazama tweeted about a meeting between the Shib development team and unification, ship prices were at 0.0012, up 0.53% from the previous day. While Shoshir did say that the update is on the way, the meeting gave the impression that work on the Sharam update is coming to a close. This confirms what had been said earlier in the week. According to You Today, members of the ship's community sent out Discord messages in which Kazama mentioned adding a bow, possibly referring to another important ship to the vessel. Developer Tropus said something similar in the same article, claiming that following updates to the Shiba Inu website, documentation will be executed prior to beta testing. On the other hand, everyone was in a good mood when talking about Sharam's beta release in 2023. The second most popular meme coin saw a 3% boost following the Sharam speculation, placing it among the top 10 currencies purchased by owners of large Ethereum wallets. After whispers spread that an Italian designer would include Shibana in his latest collection, the trend is supposedly sweeping the fashion industry, according to Today. The meme coin has once again entered the fashion business, this time with a line of garments inspired by the Shiba Inu style. A Binance report states that Shiba Inu has already broken into the mainstream of business, with many cryptocurrency payment processors accepting SHIB, including a fast food joint with a SHIB theme called Wells SHIB. The Italian designer John Richmond teased his next collection on Twitter earlier. On Twitter, Richmond uploaded a street-style design with the initials JR, the designer's initials, and the word Shiba on varsity jackets and packs. Binance reports that Richmond confirmed the image was a preview of the collection. The designer had also previously posted a hoodie image with several other hashtags, including Shiba Fashion. The account's profile photo is a cartoonish Shiba Inu instead of the actual Shiba Inu emblem, which is quite interesting. In 2022, Shibanu Richmond made their alliance official, and the designer showcased his ship-inspired garments at venues including Milan Fashion Week. Richmond has also achieved fame as a fashion designer. The late great Snoop Dogg has been seen wearing his creations. The designer has been mum about when the line of clothes inspired by ships would be available for purchase. An important component of Shibanu's pre-ICE success is hype. The greater the coin's visibility, the higher the probability that the meme coin's value would increase. At this juncture, the article argues partnerships such as the one with John Richmond become vital. Richmond's designs help introduce the cryptocurrency to people in Australia who could be interested in investing in it down the road. A few days following the initial report suggesting that Amazon may unveil its Web3 strategy, the piece was revised. The exact nature of the project's relationship to PaaS is currently unknown, as stated in a CoinDesk article. One possible component of Amazon's current concept is an NFT marketplace that allows players to engage in games. Major blue-chip corporations usually stay away from Web3 because of legal uncertainties, according to the report. It also claims that the project will never get off the ground because of the regulatory complexity and uncertainty involved, or that Amazon has the size and scale to dominate the market and make the Web3 economy mainstream. Without a doubt, major payment processors have been working on integration of stable coins into their systems. Many cryptocurrency nodes are located in the tech and commerce industries and on Amazon Web Services AWS, the company's cloud platform. 5 businesses are regular Bitcoin investors and members of the Web3 economy, which promotes decentralized ownership despite unclear laws and no oversight, according to the study. The report continued by saying that overcoming regulatory hurdles will be necessary for Amazon's efforts, which, if implemented, might have a revolutionary impact. This month, the cryptocurrency token is anticipated to have gained over 43%, which would make it the strongest month since October 2021, when it soared an astounding 830% from the first sustained breach of its 200-day chart. Just earlier this month, I used a simple moving average. Above this level, bulls have been making their voices heard since 2021, but they need to be aware that only this month, a major bearish technical development occurred in Shib. Shib verified a downward trend connecting the August-October 22nd and January 2023 highs, indicating that cryptocurrencies may have a short-term tilt toward the downside. If the crypto market is affected by this week's macro events, a break in the pattern might lead to a test of the 0.0015 and 0.0018 levels, which were the tops in October and in August, respectively. There are more Shib tokens with unrealized gains than losses or break-even, according to each of the highlighted data points in the block. As a result, investors should monitor the cryptocurrency token's behavior at the 0.0011 support level. This argument, which is visually integrated into the block's IOMAP model, suggests that investors would choose to hold on to their Shiba Inu tokens during a price rally rather than sell them. Considering the impending deployment of the Sharian protocol, this is particularly relevant. The experts at Business 2 community predict that Shib will have a successful 2023. Due to its significant position in the Shibaverse and Shiba Swap, the ANSET has the potential to drive its price up to 0.0004. This is because many believe that the Shiba Inu team will further increase the coin's value by implementing new features in the Shiba Inu Web3 ecosystem. According to the IOMAP model, as of last week's end, 69.5% of the Shib token supply is profitable, 27.5% is losing money, and 3.2% is just breaking even over the longer term. The Shib community is predicting a roughly 250% rally from current levels thanks to the developers of Shiba Inu who are hard at work on their metaverse and decentralized exchange. They are also looking forward to even further growth. Furthermore, they pointed out that by the year's end of 2025, the Shib price might surpass 0.001. Developer Shushir Kusama of Shibulu recently shared an enigmatic update in a Telegram chat about the upcoming release of Sharam, Layer 2 network, long anticipated. Users are instructed by Kusama to get their popcorn ready. As you mentioned before, the letter has sparked speculation within the Shiba Inu community regarding the potential debut of Sharam. In his second and more mysterious remark regarding Sharam's delayed release, Chief Architect Ino of Shiba made reference to a heart-shaped box in his Twitter status post. The launch is almost here, so developer updates are much anticipated by the Shiba Inu community. Community members are eagerly anticipating the debut and can't wait to see what Kusama and his team have in store, especially after hearing rumors that the launch could be on Valentine's Day. Thanks for stopping by, and be sure to give Squad Sharam a big thumbs up when you're done. Since Layer 2 solutions can provide quicker and cheaper transactions, Squad Sharam is a thrilling addition to the Shib community that might significantly affect the token's acceptance and usage. Like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest stuff.